Hello guys, today I'm going to teach you how to make $100 from a platform called Elena4. But before we dive into that, if you are new to my channel, kindly click the red subscribe button to subscribe to my channel, and also click the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload video like this. On this channel I talk about how to make money online and how to claim free cryptocurrency, and also how to use mobile apps that will boost your work online. Now let's dive into the platform. This platform is called Elena4. Elena4 is giving out 100 free sign-up bonus, $100 for sign-up bonus. You see it, Elena sent you $100 free sign-up bonus that can be withdrawn or trade on crypto market. Elena.fun looks for people that wants to make money from home and work on crypto market. So guys, this is the platform. I'll drop the link on the description box down below this video. All you just need to do is to click if you want to make profit. How do you want to receive payment? You click make payment with your crypto wallet. You input your name and your email address. This is my name, and you also input your email address here, and you click next. The page is loading. I think it's trying to register us. So upon successfully registration, it will take you to a next page where it will show you next page, and it will say your email has already been registered and they have sent a confirmation email to your inbox. I guess why it's delaying is because I've already used this email to register. So let me just go to the platform and show you how the platform look like. Okay guys, I'm in my email box and this is how the email looks. This is it. Respond requirement. Please confirm your request for information. Please click the button below to confirm that you do like to receive the $100 and make money each day. So guys, all you just need to do is to click the confirm my request button, and it will take you to the Elena platform. Now guys, I'm right here in the Elena platform. You see it says dashboard, welcome to Elena platform, Umago John Innocent. This is the dashboard referral bonus. Share this link and give your friends and family 100 Elena US dollars, and you will gain 10 Elena from each share. Share this personal link on Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, email every day. So this is it guys. So guys, this is my sign up bonus here. Let me show you. This is my sign up bonus here. You can see 100 Elena dollars. I guess 1 Elena is equal to $1, so you can see there, that's 100 Elena. That's my sign up bonus. That's it guys. Then you can see I already have daily profit. You can see it's trading on its own. I already have 0.22 as my daily profit so far from trade. And bonus for sharing with friends and family. I'm yet to share this link, so you'll be the first to partake of this. And you see my total balance is included with my trading balance, so you can see it here. I have 100.23 Elena. So guys, it says withdraw. You can see the withdraw button here, and you can see trade Elena. Let me click and let's withdraw. Let's see. It says okay, you need payment. You need 3 active friends before first payment. Share a link now and receive your first payment. Okay guys, to get 3 people is not a hard task, so I can easily get 3 people and come back and do withdrawal. So I'll share the links with friends and family, so also you can go ahead and register while we share this link, and hope we will make money out of this. Remember, I'm not the owner of this platform and I'm not in any way associated with the owners. I'm just trying this platform out. If it works out, we both benefit, we have nothing to lose. It's actually free. So if it doesn't, we also learn from it and we move forward. So guys, go ahead and click the subscribe button, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching this video. See you in our next video. Goodbye.